Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Friday, and welcome back to another installment of Fossil Reports. So I just realized that this is a very bad idea to wear a shirt with green writing when I'm on a green screen. What we do, if you're new here, is we take stories that we could not get to on our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts, and anything related to paleontology we talk about here. We always include the full links to what we're talking about down below in the description. And with that, we have 3 stories today to talk about. And with that, let's get started. And what better way to end your week with more politics? Now, all jokes aside, the Senate just recently passed legislation called Senate Bill 47, which is the Natural Resource Management Act. And it passed with an overwhelming majority of 92-8. Now, the bill goes over a lot of stuff, but there is one thing that is mainly important to paleontology, and that is the formation of Jurassic National Monument. This is laid out in section 1252 of the bill, and what it looks like it does is it converts the Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry, which is currently managed by the Bureau of Land Management, over to the National Park Service. It also expands the site from about 721 acres right now up to 850. And for those of you like me who have no concept of land area, this is about 1.3 square miles. This also is not the first attempt that we've seen to convert the Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry into a national monument. In fact, according to the Salt Lake Tribune, 2,500 acres were proposed as the Jurassic National Monument in a bill called the Emery County Public Lands Management Act of 2018. Now, eventually what happened was part of this got subsided and within this new act, and as of recording this video, the bill is currently being waited to be sent to a House committee. What does this actually mean for the Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry? Well, the Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry is located near Price, Utah. And if you haven't been there yet, it is an absolutely fantastic place to visit. It already has a sort of monument feel to it, with interpretive trails and an interpretive center with a museum. However, the main thing happening with this act is that the land is just being transferred from BLM to the National Park Service as a national monument. If you have any thoughts or further comments on this topic, please let us know in the comments. We now direct our attention to the Eocene, and specifically the Green River Formation of Wyoming, which is about 52 million years old, and the Mesopit of Germany, which is about 47 million years old. And researchers there have described 2 new species of passerine birds. These are the oldest finches known on the fossil record with seed-eating beaks. Both species have been assigned to the genus Eofringilla rostrum, with E. bodrui being the species found in Wyoming and E. parvulum being the species found in Germany. Now today, the role of seed-eating birds plays a large role in ecology, and also the diversity of these birds is phenomenal. However, we actually know very little about the lineage of these birds. But with the discovery of these new fossils, we now know more about the stem lineage of the passerines called the Stachytopteridae, which is not to be confused with the parrots, the Stachytoformes. And finally, we turn to the Miocene of Gujarat, India. And as a quick recap, the Miocene epoch was an epoch that spanned from about 23 to 5 million years ago. And from Gujarat, we have the first occurrence of sexual dimorphism in the family Strombidae. The Strombidae are the conchs. And today, modern conchs exhibit sexual dimorphism, with the females being larger than the males. Size variation also occurs in conchs when they are found in different environments due to different nutrient availability. However, because these fossil conchs all occurred at the same place in the same depositional environment, it is safe to assume that there is no environmental difference and that there are indeed 2 sexes of conchs. Sexual dimorphism is known for other groups in the fossil record, but this is the very first time it is known for the conch family. And I'm left saying, because I have no idea how to wrap all this up together, fossils are cool! So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you have content that you would like to see us cover, or if you would like to see us do something like doing more preparation videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!